Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off mute all sounds shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then we go down and tap on hearing enhancements. In here, you want to tap on mute all sound, tap on the left hand side panel, and then go down and tap on mute all sounds shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or off. Now you can tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose which shortcut to use. There are 3 different shortcuts that you could use. Tap accessibility button. The next one is press and hold on the volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. So if you want to use this one, you need to select the radio box. Or you can use press side and volume up keys. So you need to turn it on if you like to use these shortcuts. So there are 3 different shortcuts which you could use. One is from the accessibility button. Another one is from the side button here. Or you can press and hold on both the volume down and volume up keys for 3 seconds. And that's it. That's how you can turn it on or off. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.